With the Consulting Skills for Trainers workshop, you'll be able to move beyond just taking orders and providing training simply because it was requested. This course will teach you how to effectively collaborate with your clients to provide both training and non-training solutions. You'll learn a step-by-step process to work with your clients to define their performance problem, identify the cause of that problem, recommend the appropriate solution, then measure the results of what you've done. In addition to mastering this structured performance improvement process, you'll also brush up on some critical interpersonal skills that will help you manage the interactions with your client. Talk about added value, a step-by-step collaborative process and people skills combined. Build your credibility as a performance consultant and increase the level of buy-in from your clients. We'll see you soon in the Consulting Skills for Trainers workshop.